Hello everyone. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, iOS 17 is here with its really amazing and incremental updates. Yes, I know the updates that they gave us, the new features and changes, they are great, but it is not up to our expectations. They are amazing. I am coming up with a lot of videos for you guys, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But in this video, we are going to talk about how to install the iOS 17 Beta 1 on our devices. This is the easiest method that you can do. You cannot install beta profiles, and beta profile are not a thing now. Apple has stopped signing it, and in general, they have just stopped doing it. So you just can't do it. There's no way to install it with the unauthorized way until and unless you can do what you can do is you can look for. We have to wait for some time for that, but if you want to install it on day one, which is right now, if you want to install it, the safest method is getting an Apple developer account. Getting an Apple developer account is really simple. You just have to go on Apple's website or easily download their app, sign in there, and just enroll in the program. But of course, it is not that cheap. $99 for a year. I mean, that is expensive, isn't it? So what you can do is you guys can wait for the IPSW files to roll out. It takes some time, and fingers crossed, hope so we will get it really soon. But let's see when we will get the IPSW files. I will keep you guys updated on my Twitter, so make sure to follow me on my Twitter @TechHyped. You can DM me too. I will keep you updated when the IPSW file will be up for your device. But until then, if you want to install this update right now, today, the safest method and the easiest method is getting Apple developer profile. Yes, it is the easiest one, and I am trying to get it, but I'm just not able to purchase it because there is some issues in the developer side of Apple. I contacted Apple support as well. They haven't really got back to me by now. I mean, come on, Apple, that's not really professional. Get back to me ASAP. I want the developer profile, and a lot of you guys over on my Twitter, I talked to some of you guys who are trying to get the developer profile. Apparently, this issue is really widespread, and you are just not able to get the developer profile. Don't worry. Try to get the developer profile, and even if you are not able to get the developer profile, let me know on my Twitter. I will arrange an IPSW file if I do find any for your device. Peace out and have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. My name is Jay, aka Tech Hyped. I am signing off.